Are open houses necessary anymore, especially in a seller's market? I tell my sellers the truth. It really is a good avenue of reaping more buyers that perhaps we wouldn't get otherwise. Let's think about it. Everybody goes and shops online, and everybody wants to go take a look at houses, especially if they're open. And I've found that probably 15 to 20% of listings over the years I have sold from open houses. That doesn't mean they come up to me immediately and say they want to go ahead and write an offer on the house, but rather they're immediately on the phone with their agent, calling their agent and saying they're very interested in this house. The fact of the matter is that a lot of buyers don't want to bother their realtor to start looking at houses when they're initially thinking about buying a house. They want to go search on their own. They want to look on the internet, and they also want to drive by neighborhoods, and they also want to look at open houses. So the fact of the matter is, if you're looking to sell your home and you want to reach the greatest amount of buyers, an open house is still a very good method to do that. I'm Melissa Manneman with Coldwell Banker Apex, and I have a full customized marketing plan to sell your home, including a neighborhood sneak preview can be very effective. So if you're looking to sell your home and you want multiple offers on your home, you want competing buyers, give me a call today and let's sell your home with the least amount of hassle, the least amount of inconvenience, and the greatest price in today's market. Call me today.